Hello everybody, welcome back to Dara channel with the Frisbee video. I think you subscribe to that. Today we're going to be learning about this good trackpad. It's the Apple trackpad. You can't see that, but it's really fingerprinty. So you just click one of the buttons here or somewhere else, like that we switch, and then you just connect it. Then on your Mac, there's going to be a connecting button, and that'll be what you need to do. And then there'll just be one, right? So this is nearly just dropped from Apple, but this is a really cool, nice thing. Okay, so it has trackpad abilities. It's very smooth on the ground. It has bumps there, which makes it nice and comfortable. So it can't go anywhere. It's stiff with these bumps. So I recommend you should buy this, because this is smooth and good and really easy to connect to your Mac or this big screen here. So, or any computer inside Asus and all those other stuff. But this is really good. I recommend you to buy this. If you're Marquez watching this or Ali Abdal watching this, you better get this. Even though I bet one of yous have this trackpad. One of yous. But you should use it when you're at home, because this is a really smart thing to use. So instead of just using it on it. So Ali Abdal, I'm Marquez, I'm both talking to you. You should use that. You should use that. So this is a good flat, not really a device, but it's a good trackpad, nice and stiff, so you can use it on your Mac instead of just using it. But there's the bad stuff of it. That's the good stuff of it. But this trackpad, so this trackpad also is really good. But there's just one thing. Just one little thing that it's not really good. So the trackpad is very nice and very comfortable and very good for the Mac and other computer and stuff. But there's one more thing. You already have the trackpad on the Mac. And you already have the trackpad on the Mac. But if you have a Mac, not one of these, you don't have one of these. You only just have the Mac. Only the Mac. This is the bad bit. So on the Mac, you already have that squared bit, just in case if you didn't know what that is. That square bit on the end. See the space button? Just below that, you can see a little square. That's called the trackpad. Right? That's called the trackpad. So you remember that. That's called a trackpad, right? That could also control the mouse as well, just like the trackpad. So if you have that, stick to the Mac. Why would you ever need this? That's the question. If you have a trackpad connected to the Mac, why would you need this? Okay? So, you know why? You could use this on one of those, because that'll be confusing if there's an Apple keyboard, just like this. If there's an Apple keyboard coming with a trackpad on it. That'll be actually pretty silly, because that doesn't really exist, or maybe it does. But there's only one little problem on the Mac that I just said, so remember that. But I still think you should buy it for that, not the Mac. So it's really good. I recommend. The reviews is good. The pad is good. Feels comfortable is good. And bye. Check on Amazon. Bye. Have a good day.